All right, so we got a Auxbeam 12-inch LED light bar mounted to the front of the CanAm Defender here. This is the XT front bumper, and we've mounted it right here on top of the CanAm OEM bumper. And it has a positive and a negative wire that comes out of the light bar. And then down here, I put an automotive style male and female connector, one on one side of the harness and one on the other, so that if I ever need to take this bumper off or the light bar fails to work, I can just unhook it right there, get a new one, put a connector on the end, and it plugs right in, and I don't have to take out the wire harness. The wire harness here goes through into the cab from the firewall, and I'll show you that here on the inside of the Defender. Okay, we're in here on the inside of the cab of the CanAm Defender, and you can see our LED light bar switch here mounted to the dash. I bought that off of eBay. The color and the font match CanAm OEM, so it looks pretty good, I think, here on the dash. I had the wire harness come into the cab through the footwell here in the front, and then I connected it to the power right here underneath the dash. And then once I connected it to power, I just ran the switch over here to the side by my other light switch so that I'm able to turn the LED light bar on. It gave me a lot of light for just a little 12-inch light bar. I'll put a video in here where you can see the side-by-side driving down the road with just the regular headlights, the high beams, and then adding the LED light bar on. It was a quick and easy install. I like it that it's able to be disconnected and taken out if need be, and I really like the light that it puts out.